This video covers the arpeggio for the full diminished seventh chord on the note D, a D diminished seventh. Again, it's made up of minor thirds, starting with a D, we're here, go up a minor third, it's here, go up another minor third, it's here, another minor third, it's here. Got one black key in it. So the fourth finger in each hand is going to play that. The other fingers play that. We're just starting on the note D, which is the index finger of each hand. Like so. So go ahead and do the tremolo exercise. I recommend 1 and 2 octaves to get this drilled into your fingers on here, and you can start wherever you want. This is fine. Just make sure you're accenting and dropping the wrists. Then go up 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. The idea. Then go ahead and do it. If you're advanced, well, if you're intermediate, you could probably maybe go 2 octaves. Advanced, you go the full 4 octaves and the whole contrary and parallel motion thing. You need to start here. It's almost an octave lower than middle C. It's here. 1 note per beat, octave, then 2 notes per beat, 2 octaves. Too bad on the separating because the hands are marrying each other. This worked out rather well, huh? They don't all do that, huh? And that's pretty much it for this. Just keep it slow and accent and lower the wrist, the whole 9 yards. You'll be fine.